I'd like to show you how to play the matching vocabulary game using Jamboard. You'll see it on the screen like this. At the top, you can click through the different Jamboards to find the words that are categorized. So we'll start with the very first one. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see your tools. Go to screen 2. I want you to practice saying the words backpack, colored pencils, bus, book. You will go through the yellow stickers. Then you would go to the pictures and you will say, in this picture, I see a red item that you can carry books in. I believe this red item would match with the word backpack. You'll click on the picture and drag it over to beside the right picture. When you're finished, go over to the next one. In this picture, I see a rectangle. It has a black strip on the side, blue. I know that there's papers inside of it. I think this word matches with the word book. Again, click and drag it beside the word book. Okay, when you're finished, you can put them back so that you can play another time. Tomorrow, you would go to the breakfast words. Then we have homework words, and last, bedtime words. All of these words go with our daily routines. Have fun!